Discipline over motivation. Yeah, it's there because it's true. But what does it actually look like? What does it mean? Especially if you're new or early into a journey. Number one, if you miss a workout, odds are you're going to probably have a bad nutrition day. Or if you miss one workout, it gets easier to miss a second workout. And I will sit here and tell you, till I'm blue in the face, that a workout you can give 30% on is better than the workout you didn't even do. Right? You have to remember that the change you're looking for is built in those hard times, in those days where you don't want to show up, in the days where you're not feeling motivated. And yes, we know you're not always going to be motivated. The longer you do this, the less motivation you probably even have. That's where the other thing is created, right? The habit, the mindset, the behaviors, where you're not just doing this for the outcome. You're doing this because how it makes you feel on an everyday basis. And you have the ability to choose that and make that happen every single day, or at least every single time you should be getting your workout in. In many ways, right, when you start doing workouts and feeling good, it makes it easier not to skip. But nevertheless, when you get to this point in time, right, what's going to end up happening is you'll actually be able to recognize when you're kind of feeling less motivated. And you're going to be able to push through that or understand how important it is to push through that because it's what you've never done before. And then once you start pushing through it, guess what happens? Those times happen less frequently because habits and mindset and behavior start taking over. And then on top of that, right, the workouts themselves don't ever really feel as good or as bad. And then ultimately you start seeing PRs and you start seeing other things that change. And that's what you're working towards, right? That motivation that you can create by showing up every day, right? Compounding these wins together versus compounding the losses. So at the end of the day,